It's raining. Sarap ng sabaw. Ang sarap, Daddy. Gali ka na. Kain na habang mainit yung sabaw. Mamaya, lalamig na to. Hindi na masarap. Nasaan radyo mo, Dad? Jacob, can you get water for us, please?
Help me eat my fries. Salamat, Kuya Kurt. Help me.
Salamat po. Eat the rice.
Where's the hand sanitizer?
Here.
You have it.
You put on your pajama later.
I'm gonna wear shorts.
Jacob didn't
Ito yung pantalon ko.
No.
Yun, tulog mo na yan. Malamig.
Jacob didn't finish
It's okay.